First, create a square, for example, and apply a gradient opacity from black to white. Place the gradient square over your image. Select both the square and the image, then click on Opacity. Click on Make Mask. Your image now has a gradient opacity. Note that you need to use black and white colors. While editing the layer's opacity mask, you won't have access to the other layers. To go back to the other layers, select the image and go to Opacity. Make sure you have the image selected in the window, not the gradient. Remember, if you want to make changes to the opacity mask again, you will need to return to this window and have the gradient selected. If you want to remove the opacity mask, simply select the image, go to Opacity, and click on Release. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. Your support means a lot. See you in the next video.